Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel Fitness Fit Computer Geek. In this video, I am going to show you how to open a laptop and visualize all the parts and then assemble them back. So I will be using my Dell Inspiron 559 model and I will show you how to open a general laptop. As a computer guy, you must know that it's most important thing you should know. As whenever you go to any service center or any place, as a normal user also you should know that when you go to any service center, they will charge you $250 for only opening the laptop. But if you have this tool with you, you can do it at home, very easily, which I will show you now. Okay, so now guys, let me begin it. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, so first of all, just open it from the back side and choose the appropriate nut or bolt, you can say. So which one to choose? Let me show you guys. So I guess this will work fine. It's very difficult to find yeah, it is going to working now. Use the magnet property and put the nut aside of the each corner. In this way you will remember which nut you have opened. So just open it. So, and the most important thing, just use this and open the cell, multi-cell. So it will be now easier to work. As you know, it may conduct electricity sometime. Let me just open this. Guys, remember the nuts always. There are nuts too here, but okay. So now, yeah, one more nut. Don't forget any nut, otherwise you will destroy your laptop unnecessarily. So, okay, all nuts are fine now. So let me show you guys. Just use this and open gently, use gently, so it will not broken. Yeah, this is the cover. Don't forget the nuts. Nuts are very important. So this is the inside, just miniature inside of my PC. You can see the RAM, hard disk. So you can also work from here also, but I'm going to show you to open entire laptop. Okay guys, hope it is visible to you. So just open it. There is one nut inside it also. So I'll put the outside nut in some other place, so you don't forget it, and just work on inside nuts. We got inside nuts. Okay, let's see, can I open it? Yeah, this case, just use this guys. So just use this everywhere, and always look for nuts. If there are nuts, so just open the nuts first, or otherwise you will broke the laptop. So you can see guys, I am zoom in for you guys, so you can see the parts. Perfect. So just open it. So that's the thing I dislike about services, that I just given it earlier for something wrong happened with my laptop. They just stole the nuts. There is no nuts. So you can see, yeah, there is one nuts there. Always look for nuts. You know what? Just open the drive. Just open it gently. 1 TB hard disk. Okay, it's not opening because there is nuts, there is nuts in keyboard side. I remember this, last time I opened that part first. So there are 3, specifically 5 actually, depend on your laptop. So just open this and it will open. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, so whole keyboard is open now, so you can see the keyboard. So deattached it for your safety. Now, yeah, deattached it, and now open it. There are nuts inside this too. Don't forget these nuts, otherwise you will break your laptop unnecessarily. Okay, just separate all those nuts. These are internal nuts. Open this to deattach everything. And detach everything, don't, or it will break it. So now all the nuts are open. Shut it down and check it that everything is deattached. Okay, this is a must do thing. No, don't forget this. Now just open the side. I open everything now. It should be opened. Yeah, there is one more nut. Always check for the nuts. Now I guess it's all opened. Yeah, there is nut in battery side too. Okay, just look for that nuts too. There will be 3 nuts battery side. Just open it and put this nuts with the battery itself, to remember this when you will going to assemble. Okay, now it should open now. Okay, always check for the nuts, Now it should open. Yeah, you can see it's open. Yeah, just one more thing, just one more last. This is the difficult part, it attached to, actually the DVD drive is making the problem here. Okay, so there was one hook you have to stuck in there, that's why it take too much time. So now you can see the inside of my laptop. Yeah, beautiful. Just zoom in guys, you can see that part. Okay, and use this for lifting tiny bits, so that yeah, this is my processor. Let me show you that. Yeah, this is the Intel i3 core processor. You can see this. So the two main part of your PC is three. Okay, the hard disk, this is the memory, and this is the processor and brain of computer. This is all the working. This will define all the working of your computer. These two, and the third part is RAM. Okay, which is the temporary memory. You can see that RAM. So you can see that these three part is the most crucial and most valuable part to your computer. Okay, the RAM, you can see the RAM chip. It is 4 GB RAM. So 1 GB is 4 chips there, to 4 GB RAM actually. And these are electronic bits, as you will, if you have taken a computer science, you will know that. And this is the hard disk which work on tracks and sectors. There is one circular tracks. There are, and if you have seen the old movies, TVs, there was one CD and then one pointer. The CD one moves the music were played. In the similar way, platters and the tracks work in the sectors. There is in one platter there is lots of sector, and each sector is pointed by read write head, and which is able to read your memory, and sometimes you have to copy it. So read and write. Okay, the hard disk. So these three are the most crucial part of your PC. Remember that. So now this is all you got. This is the motherboard. This is motherboard chip. Where all the working of that. This is the cell. And this is the fan. When the processor get heated up, more workload, this will automatically open, so that it will cool down your processor. Okay, so these are the essential part, and this is all the motherboards here. There are a lot of circuits there, and these are the ports where pen drives were inserted. You can open it too, but no need of that. So this is all the case here. This motherboard is most important. This is the battery cell. You can see the CMOS battery. These are known as CMOS battery. So now hope you have seen this. So this way you can open your laptop, and if you want to change your RAM, you can change. If you want to change your hard disk, you can change it from here. Everything is attached. Simple. So just put back those things. Okay. So you can use it as open theater also. Just connect the hard disk of some device and use the processor to work on that hard drive. Okay. So just put the RAM. So just RAM is very easy to put. Yeah. Now it's placed. Yeah. Now it's placed perfectly. And there goes the processor. This is the hard disk which I am going to insert after inserting the disk. So anything remaining? No, I don't think so. So just now place the case here, okay, as it is. And this is the most difficult part to do. So just place this, guys. So you can say now just place the hard disk. Use the nuts of keyboard and mouse. Just place the nuts its proper place. So I'm just going to insert two nuts here, because this is my hard disk is has lack damage inserted, the battery is inserted. Actually you can do most of your work from here. That's why they have given one more slot. Not in this proper places in the keyboard. Okay, so now place the keyboard, and before placing it, just attach everything. And what else? Yeah, that far. Just place this. Okay, so everything is placed. Now let's place this back. Okay, so it's inserted now. So just close it off. And just reverse it and place this CD part as it is. Okay, close this CD. Before placing it up, close this part. You remember there were 3 nuts. Okay, hope you remember this. So just place the nut in these places too. So this place. So now placed all the other nuts. Now it's time for them to lock it up. Am I placing it right? No, I wasn't. This is the right place. So just place 2 nuts here. 2 nuts will be okay, and these nuts. Close the battery, and this part too. Now close it. So that was it, guys. I have shown you how to open the laptop and how to see the inside of the laptop, and I've also told you how to assemble those parts again. Okay, so hope you guys like this video. In the next video I will show you my opening of my PC, home desktop computer. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you soon.